Day 97, and you already know this is gonna be annoying.
Baby shark, do 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 do, mama shark, do 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 do, daddy shark, do do.
All right, enough of that. Look how cute this dude was last night. Psych.
Do 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 do, mama shark, do do do, daddy shark, do do do, mama shark, do 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 do.
Immediately run out of the van runs because no one wants to invite the mouse to come out and play. Then headed to the gym to absolutely torch our arms. It's protein time.
Incoming big ass stomach ache. I don't feel good.
And Oz sent us a gift card, so we almost cracked, but a force field brought us back. Who am I kidding? I can't cut Starbucks cold turkey. Nobody can. And Montana is making this very difficult.
Too fucking cold. We're losing.
Let me get in here. Let me get in this.